Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to our Kaiapa ʻAuʻau or our swim diaper. Reusable swim diapers are a great way to be a little bit more eco-friendly even if you don't cloth diaper full-time or even part-time. Especially in Hawaii where we enjoy our oceans frequently, it's important to look at reusable alternatives to take the place of single-use items. Disposable swim diapers are not designed to absorb liquid, so any of that passes through even a disposable swim diaper. And so it's designed mainly to catch any solid waste. So a reusable swim diaper does the exact same thing. Our reusable swim diapers are exactly the same as our pocket diapers, but without an absorbent insert. They feature our durable snaps. It also features our rise settings so you can adjust it as baby grows. Our swim diapers feature our signature beige athletic wicking jersey inner, and it keeps baby cool and comfortable and wicks moisture away. It also has our gentle leg elastics on the side and then wide elastic back to keep any of the messes in. If you have any questions about our swim diaper, please let us know. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and follow us at Kaleimamo Hawaiʻi.